Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. Remember, if you do like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. Like many of my fellow countrymen, I'm delighted that the England football team have finally made it through to a major final. For the first time in my entire lifetime, for the very first time since the World Cup final of 1966. I sat up with my son last night watching the England-Denmark game. And it was a really nerve-wracking experience. It was 1-1 at full time. It went to extra time. I was living in dread fear of the game going to penalties. But it didn't, because Harry Kane managed to score the winning goal in extra time and England are through to meet Italy on Sunday. While I don't have particularly high hopes of England's chances against Italy, it's still lovely to see the country get through to a final. At the same time, I really felt for Denmark yesterday. I think since Christian Eriksen collapsed in Denmark's very first game, the Danish team have been remarkable. They've shown incredible spirit and courage. They've shown real togetherness. And over the last few games, they've basically run themselves into the ground. They've worked so hard, they've exhausted themselves. And you could see this a little bit yesterday as we entered the 30 minutes of extra time. The Danish players looked tired, they looked a bit leggy. If you run yourself into the ground, you exhaust yourself by working incredibly hard. This can be on a football field. It can also be at work. So you might run yourselves into the ground trying to meet the July deadline. Or you might tell a friend, listen, you need to ease up a bit at work. It's not sustainable to work 60 hours a week. You're going to end up running yourself into the ground. And obviously the idea here is work yourself so hard you end up literally in the ground because you die from overwork. We can also talk about running a car into the ground, using a car so much that in the end it dies on us. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Please do share it with your friends, your family, your colleagues, your students, and in the comments section below. We'd love to hear examples of how you think you might use run yourself into the ground.